Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. So as you can obviously tell by the title of this video, today I'm going to be filming and showing you guys my Sunday reset routine. It just includes some things like planning, organization, like a digital declutter, and some self-care. I also want to mention that I'm not going to be able to go into as much depth and show you guys all of the typical things I like to do for my Sunday reset routine, just because it is 5:30 right now when I'm starting to film this video, and I typically start filming my videos in the morning. So since I don't have as much time, I'm just going to show you some of the main things I'm just going to be doing this evening for my Sunday reset routine. I also have to go to sleep at 9 p.m. so you kind of have limited time, but that's okay. I think I'm also going to make a part 2 to this video so I can show you guys more, go into more depth, and make it like a full day-long Sunday reset routine. Also, another thing I want to mention is this video is inspired by Ava Jules, so I want to give credit to her. She made a Sunday reset video about a while ago, and I know she makes like other related type videos on her channel and vlog channel, so I just want to give her credit for this idea. Okay, so there are 4 main categories that I like to focus on for my Sunday reset routine. So the first one I'm going to work on and get out of the way is a digital declutter. So first what I'm going to do is I'm going to go through my phone, go through my camera roll, delete any like random pictures or pictures I just don't need anymore that are just taking up unnecessary space on my phone. And I'm also just going to delete any apps that I don't use anymore or haven't used in a while. Okay, so I just finished going through my camera roll and the apps on my phone, and I just deleted and got rid of any unwanted and unuseful things that I don't need on my phone anymore. So now I'm just going to go onto my laptop and I'm going to clean up my desktop, which my desktop is actually pretty clean because I don't ever really save anything to my desktop, or if I do, I always delete it right away. So I'm going to be more focusing on cleaning up like the downloads folder on my laptop, just getting rid of things that like I don't need anymore, or organizing them into their folders. And then after I do that, because that's probably not going to take that long, I'm just going to log onto my emails because I have like I think I have like 4 different emails actually, like including my school email. So I'm just going to go through all of my different emails for a little bit and just like delete a whole bunch of emails that like I don't need anymore and just get rid of them. Okay guys, so now that I've finished my digital declutter part of my reset routine, I'm now gonna focus on the cleaning part of my routine. So this would usually include like tidying up my room, wiping down surfaces, dusting, stuff like that. But like my room is actually pretty clean right now. Like I tend to keep it like clean and tidy like day to day. Like I don't really like clutter and stuff like that. So just like I don't really have anything to clean up. But I am going to do some laundry right now, and there is one thing I do need to organize, and it's kind of scary. I don't want to show you guys, but I am for the sake of this video and to be like more open and honest and real and raw with you guys. But I usually keep my drawers like super neat and organized, like everything's perfectly folded and like color coordinated and like in like the right spots. But for some reason my t-shirt drawer, it's just like a drawer just full of like t-shirts and like tank tops I wear to bed or I wear to work and stuff like that. It got super messy and like I don't know how it happened, but I'll show you guys. Okay guys, I'm gonna open my t-shirt drawer, and I don't think you're ready to see this, but yeah, it just got super messy and like unorganized and stuff. And there are stuff like under here that are like still like kind of folded, and like some of the stuff that are up are like still like perfectly folded or whatever. But I just don't know how this happened, and it's really scary and overwhelming, and I don't like it. So yeah, and it's best whenever you are like organizing and decluttering an area to take everything out, organize it, and then put everything back in, rather than try to organize and refold everything while there's still stuff in there. Okay guys, so it's a little while later, and for the next category it's get it together. So that's basically like the planning and organization part of like the Sunday reset routine. So right now I'm going to work on planning out what I need to do for this week, and also I'm going to plan out what video ideas I want to record this week and stuff like that. Okay guys, so we're now at the last, segment of this Sunday reset routine video. So the last part is kind of like the self-care part. So like both physical and like mentally. So I already did like a hair mask today and like shaved, exfoliated, like stuff like that. Right now I'm gonna like wash my face and do a face mask because I do a face mask in almost all my videos. So I'm gonna go do one right now. Okay, so obviously as you can see I finished putting on my face mask, so now I'm gonna wait about 10 to 15 minutes for it to dry, and then I'm gonna wash it off and then like get ready for bed and stuff. But while I'm waiting for it to dry, I'm just gonna write in my wellness planner. I got it for Christmas. It's by Bando. Yeah, so it's just a super cute like journal planner that has a whole bunch of different stuff in it, like for goal setting, mental health, relaxation, nourishment, making sure you're drinking enough water, balance, wellness, meditation, organization, a whole bunch of things. It even comes with stickers because like all of Bando's stuff comes with stickers, and like the inside of it is just super like cute. It looks like I'm like reading to like a class. Anyways, but like the pages are always like super cute and like stuff like that. So yeah, anyways, so I'm going to just write in this for a little bit and then I'll check in with you guys when I'm finished. Okay guys, so I just finished getting ready for bed, and I didn't really film that or show you guys that because I feel like I've shown what skincare products, like my nighttime routine before, so I just didn't want to be repetitive. Anyways, I'm just gonna end the video here. I really hope you guys enjoyed it. I'm definitely gonna make another video similar to this sometime in the near future, just because I did start recording this video later in the day, so I didn't have as much time to do all the things and show you guys all the things that I would typically do, and I didn't get to talk about all the things I wanted to, so just stay tuned for a part 2 of this video. Anyways, make sure you give this video a big thumbs up if you like this video. Also, make sure to subscribe to my channel and turn on my post notifications. I post every Wednesday and Sunday, so you don't want to miss a video. Also, comment down below this emoji if you watched all the way to the end of the video. And yeah, so that's basically it. I hope you have an amazing morning, day, or night whenever you watch this video, and I'll see you guys next time.